In this tutorial, we are going to create the 3D model from the scan data. So basically, this is one of the step in reverse engineering process, which is preparing the documentation. So that is creating the 3D models or 2D drawings from the existing physical product. So let's start. So go to file and create new file. You can give any file name. Yeah, this is the digitized shape editor module, and of course there are specific modules for reverse engineering methodology or to create the 3D model from the scan. So those are digitized shape editor, quick surface reconstruction, and of course generative shape design. So using these modules, so we can create the surface model, and from that we can create the solid model. So under this digitized shape editor, so we have the command called import. Go to import, and from here you can choose the path. You can select the path file, plastic cover STL, open, and of course even it's a STL format, and the scale factor can be 1, and the units I would like to keep millimeters. Apply. Okay. So this is one of the part plastic cover for two-wheeler vehicle. And today's tutorial I am going to create this feature. It's a rear feature. Okay, all that insert geometrical set, base surface, and to create the surface. So this I am going to create base surface. I am going to create. So this to create this surface, we have to extract the scan from this complete part. So for that, go to the extract or activate command or activate scan. Select this. Under this again we have the options. We'll try to cover all these options, but now I am going to use the brush. So select this scan. So immediately the brush command activates. Select the scan where you are going to create the surface, and maybe you can also change the size of the brush to make it faster. So here important thing is that, so when you are extracting the scan, so you need to study, you need to check the scan. So is there any damage, like physical damage on the part? So if you notice any damage on the part, maybe that portion you can ignore to select. Then okay. So this is the extracted scan from the complete part.